Hi everybody, welcome to Skill Explore Master Course for UPDA MMUP Electrical Exam Preparation. Skill Explore Master Course provide a path to make you to perform well in these examinations in smart way. I am very happy to be the part of Skill Explore. I wish to introduce myself. I am Dr. A. Nasser Ali, currently working as an Associate Professor, REC Anna University, Chennai, India. I am having 15 years, 6 months teaching experience in electrical and electronics field. Recently received Young Scientist Award from international body, international journal RULA. Secured 9.21 CGPA University second rank in Master of Engineering. Lifetime members in various professional bodies like ISTE, ECS, IJ, RULA, ISRD and IANG. Recently received award from IEEE, acted as a IEEE senior member, ISO 9001 2015 certified trainer. Myself published 28 papers in national and international journals. Myself delivered 108 guest lectures at various reputed institutions. So here my motto is extend my hands to you to perform well in these examinations. Next, I introduce my friend, Mr. S. Manikanda Prabhu. He is the project management expert working as an assistant professor, SRM University, India. Then Mr. D. Shyam, he is electronics expert working as assistant professor, REC Anna University, India. He worked with me for the past 10 years. He has vast knowledge, especially in electronics field. Next, Mr. A.T. Sankara Subramanian, he is the electrical machines and power system engineering expert working as assistant professor, KSCT, Anna University, India. He also worked with me for the past 10 years. He has sound knowledge, especially in the field of machines and power system engineering. Okay, what is included in Skill Explore Master Course? Actually, myself and my friend will guide you throughout the session in the form of a recorded video session, PowerPoint presentations, e-study material, live quiz, etc. Skill Explore Master Course exclusively customized this course for these examinations. Here I like to mention one thing, how Skill Explore Master Course unique than others. Here they are providing 63 module live test. Each module consists of 27 questions, which is taken from previous year's question papers. Surely it will help to improve your confidence level and also make perform well in the examinations. In addition to that, live quiz on each session is also available. After end of the session, some 5 sample questions also there. So it is also help to perform well in the examinations. The complete syllabus coverage for your exams, free documentation and consultation support for your examinations. If you choose Skill Explore Master Course, you can get the lifetime access throughout your life. Next, I am going to explain the syllabus for electrical engineering section. Actually, it is divided into 3 areas. One is electrical section, and another one is electronic section, and another one is project management. In electrical section, discussed about electrical engineering fundamentals, electrical circuits and networks theorems, DC and AC fundamentals, control system and instrumentation, electrical machines and drives, electrical power systems. Then regarding electronic sections, discussed about electronics fundamentals, digital logic and microprocessor, power supplies and radio, amplifiers and operational amplifiers, oscillators and timers. Then third section, project management. So here discussed about outdoor planning, organization, etc. Next, I am going to explain the subjects and its weightage. Actually, it is a very, very important thing because from that you get where you concentrate more. How many questions it is possible to ask from the subjects. Actually, it is purely collected from previous year's question papers. So probably it may possible to ask in future also. So for that, in electrical circuits and networks theorem, expected 2 questions. AC and DC fundamentals, expected 1 questions. Control system and instrumentation, 2 questions. Electrical machines and drives, 4 questions. Electrical power systems, 3. Then electronic devices fundamental, 3 questions. Amplifier, oscillator, logic circuit, timer and communication system, 4 questions. Microprocessor systems and other related topics, so expected 3 questions. Finally, project management, 3 to 5 questions. So from that you will get some clear idea about where you concentrate more. This slide I can mention the percentage of questions asked from the particular subjects. So already I said, so this will taken from previous year's questions. So from that you clearly understand where you concentrate more. Next thing is, everybody knows that notice from Ministry of Municipality and Environment, as per new rules from November 2019, UPDA MMUP registration has been linked with visa approval renewals to live in Qatar. So we know very well about the day-by-day technology. So it is also improved. So it is necessary to upgrade ourselves. So for that Qatar government taken good initiatives, and they forwarded for conducting this type of examinations. Those who are with engineer visa or working in engineering related profession will not be able to renew, transfer and family visa renewal, etc. without these examinations. Therefore, all engineers must complete their process of registration in engineering committee as soon as possible and exert dedicated efforts in achieving the engineer license at the earliest. Next, what is the exam pattern? So UPDA, MMUP, MME exam pattern. So your exam is system based 1 hour exam. It is multiple choice questions or objective type questions. The number of questions may be 25 or 27. Minimum score requirement for passing the exam is 13 right answer out of 25 questions, 14 right answer out of 27 questions. Each right answer they awarded 4 marks, no negative marks. I think it's one of the biggest advantage for you. You need to prepare within your engineering discipline subjects and project management. You can access the system calculator if needed. After finishing the examination, go outside the hall, wait in the rusty area. After few minutes, they will call one by one for announce the results. If you pass the exam, they will tell you to wait for few minutes to issue the UPDA MMUP license. For that, you have to pay fees Qatar Riyal 300 for UPDA MMUP license. Once the payment is done, they will issue the license. Okay. Many of them ask the questions where the exams will be conducted. The exams will be conducted in the same Baladia office, which is located in the Doha Municipality building, Peering Road. So here we can share the Google Map link also. If you click that, you can get the location. Then what are the documents required to obtain UPDA, MMUP, MME exams? So the mandatory documents are valid Qatar ID, degree certificates. It should be attached from Ministry of Foreign Affairs because they checked whether you received from the recognized university or not. Consolidated mark sheet, overall mark sheet, transcript. Each semester mark sheet, individual mark sheet, Qatar police clearance certificates. It is also necessary. Curriculum vitae, that means your biodata, passport size photo, then passport. Then additional documents are, if you are having any experience, you can show it. Then if you attend any training certificate, you can show it. If you want to know more about your exam procedures, please visit skillexplore.com. Next, the useful and direct links to get your exam requirements. If you want to upload your documents or if you want to get the things from this link. Next, regarding any queries or feedback, or if you need any help, please contact this email ID info@skillexplore.com, and also mobile number also available. You can call at any time. If you want to know more about, you can visit the website www.skillexplore.com. Finally, as a common man, I suggest that if you study here, you can success anywhere. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, working together is a success. So my best wishes to all for you perform well in the examinations. Thank you very much. Thank you.